Hi everyone! Welcome back to Hand Characters. It's MC here. Today we will talk about 5 characters with the same component, xi. Let's go deep into how they created, why they have the component xi, and the easiest way to memorize them. Plus some examples, of course. Let's get started. Okay, the first one, it's xi itself. Obviously, from the drawing, you can see it means sunset. Let's look back to its original form. It's actually the same form as yue, moon. As they were alliterating, developing, people separated these 2 characters, and one as xi, sunset. The other one is yue, moon. Some common vocabularies: 夕阳, sunset. And 除夕, meaning the Chinese New Year's Eve. So 除 means get rid of, remove. So remove the old year and move into the new year. There is a very beautiful poem sentence. 夕阳西下，断肠人在天涯。夕阳 sunset. 西下 goes down from the west. 断肠人 meaning people who is away from home and feel very sad, lonely. 在天涯 meaning be a place which is far away from home. So the sentence means this person has homesick, miss home very much. 夕阳西下，断肠人在天涯. So next one, let's look into 名. It means name. So on the top there's a xi, and the bottom there's a kou. So imagine this. In ancient times, there's no light, no electric. After sunset, when the sky is dark, people can't see each other, so they will tell their names to each other in order to recognize the other one and don't make mistakes. That's why 名, name, created with xi and kou. Some common vocabularies: 名字，你的名字是什么？名 also means reputation, fame. 有名，有 have reputation, have fame. So it means famous. As well as 著名 also means famous. But what's the difference between 有名 and 著名？有名 is more casual. People knows it. 这个歌手很有名 versus 著名 it's more formal and has the reputation, already have the influence. 著名歌唱家，著名作家，著名景点。Then the next one, 多，so it's double xi. 多 means many. So you might wonder why 2 xi form the 多. Do you remember I mentioned xi and yue were the same form? However, as they developing, they were always mixed together. So here xi actually it meant yue, meat. This character yue, it not only means moon. When yue as a radical, it usually means meat related, muscle related, body part related. For example, 鸡, for example, 胖. So get back to the character 多. When Asian people describe money, it originally points to meat. 2 pieces of meat as 多, many. The opposite character to 多 is 少. And when you ask for how many, how much, is 多少，这个多少钱，这个多少斤。The next one, 梦， dream. This character actually has a very complex literating process among the history. However, if you only look at the current form, I think it's easier to understand and memorize. Because on the top, it's double 木 as 林, woods, forest. And the bottom, xi, sunset. Look at this image. Imagine when you are in a forest and it's sunset. Everything's so beautiful. It just looks like a dream. So 梦 means dream. Okay, then you might ask, which dream is it? Is a dream, I have a dream, or I had a dream last night? So the first one, I have a dream, which is 梦想. 我的梦想是成为什么什么什么。我的梦想是成为一名科学家。 Then the second one, I had a dream last night. It's 做梦，做梦。我昨晚又做梦了。我昨晚又做梦了。And then you might wondering, how about nightmare? It's 噩梦，噩梦。If you look at the character 噩, there's 4 mouths. So when something is so scary, people will scream hardly. The last one, 岁，岁 age, year. Similar as 梦, the literating process of 岁 is also complex. However, if we only look at the current form, on the top it's 山, 山, mountain. Bottom is 西, sunset. So when sun goes down from the mountain, which is one day, and day by day, it will become a year. So 岁 means year, age. A very basic phrase. 你几岁? 你多少岁? Another common vocabulary. 岁月, 岁月. It means years, days, so basically it means time. For example, 岁月无情, 岁月无情. It means time and tide wait for no man. People will often say, 唉，岁月无情啊. That's all for today. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't for more Chinese characters and vocabulary courses. I will see you next time. And of course, I will see you on Instagram every day. Bye!